Hey guys, it's me, Erica, or Poke, whatever. Animal Jam. For some reason, you can see, Animal Jam doesn't respond on my computer. It usually does. I'm a member. See, I'm clicking right now, but what the heck? I have so many ads like this one with the golden retriever, I guess, and then I'm doing screencast-o-matic here, and oh my gosh. Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Erica, and sometimes Animal Jam does not. Animal Jam over here does not respond to anything that I do. I hate it. Like, if I click here, it doesn't do anything. I don't know why. The ads show up. I keep on refreshing, and I don't know what to do. So if this ever happened to you, please comment, because it's glitching out on me. My computer mouse just stopped spazzing out, and it was like switching. It's weird. And also, if I try to exit, it doesn't do that. And if I do this, if I do that, does not do anything. So it's weird, because I'm trying to get out of this. Let me just after this video, I can just turn it off, probably turn off my computer, and I don't know, restart it or something, because it keeps on glitching out. I don't know why. This never happened. It was weird. Yeah. But there's no alphas. It does not load. Okay, look at this. It's weird. I just don't know why. It's weird. I'm gonna upload it right now, so bye bye.